Hello, I am Dinitra Taraduni in Vikramshila National School in grade 7. Welcome to my presentation. Today I talk about plant diversity. Plant is a type of a living organism. Plants are autotrophic. There are two systems in a plant. There are shoot system and root system. This is the picture of a plant. Now I talk about diversity of roots. Root system. Taproot system. Some plants have single large root system which are originated from base of the plant stem. It is called taproot. This is the picture of a taproot. Fiber root system. Some plants have a large number of roots which are originated from base of the plant stem. It is called fiber root system. This is the picture of a fiber root. Type of roots. Climbing roots, still roots, aerial roots, prop roots, respiratory roots, storage roots and roots with roots nodules. Climbing roots. These roots are helps to climbing the attaching another stem. It is called climbing roots. Examples: pepper, beetle. Still roots. These roots are helps to support the stem. Examples: Rampe, pandanus. Respiratory roots. Respiratory roots are helps to exchange of air with atmosphere. Example: Kerala mangroves. Storage roots. Storage roots are helps to store foods. Example: carrot, beetroot, manioc. Aerial roots. Aerials comes out from stem to absorb water vapor to atmosphere. Example: orchid and peptide plants. Prop roots. Prop roots are helps to branches. Examples: banyan, rasakinda. Roots with roots nodules. Rhizobium bacteria living inside the leguminous plants to convert soil into fertilizer. Examples: Kaladuru, mimosa, long beans, beans. Now I talk about function of the plant root. Absorb water and minerals to the soil, fix the plant to the soil and vegetative reproduction. Plant stem. Plant stem can be classified into two groups. There are branched stem and unbranched stem. Plants with branched stem has taproot system, has reticulate venation. Example: jack, mango, rose apple, apple, veralur. These are the picture of plants with branched stem. Plants with unbranched stem has fiber root system, has parallel venation. Examples: bamboo, paddy, palmyra, coconut, grass. These are the picture of plants with unbranched stem. Function of plant stem: giving support to the plants, transport water and minerals throughout the plant. Some plant stem store foods. Examples: kitul, sugar cane. Leaf venation. The arrangement of veinlets in the leaf is called leaf venation. There are two types of leaf venation. There are parallel venation and reticulate venation. Parallel venation. Veinlets are parallel to the midrib is called parallel venation. Examples: coconut, bamboo. Reticular venation. Veinlets are innervated from midrib and spread through as the net is called reticular venation. These are the picture of reticular venation. Function of the plant leaf. Main function is photosynthesis, help to vegetative reproduction. Some leaves store water. Petals. Petals are colorful. They help to attaching insect for pollination. Petals are helps to protect internal parts of the flower. Sepals. Sepals are green color. They are help to protect the flower at bud time. They can do photosynthesis. Gynoecium. It is the female part of a flower. Main function is production of seeds. Androecium. It is the male part of the flower. Main function is production of pollens. Dicot plant. Plants with branched stem. Examples: jack, mango, guava, cashew. Monocot plants. Plants with unbranched stem. Examples: coconut, paddy. Thank you.